Millions untouched. The Auditor General has found that less than 2% of cash donations for hurricane relief has been spent as of February this year. In addition, millions more collected after Hurricane Beryl also remain untouched. Details in this report. The Auditor General report found that despite receiving more than $1.4 billion in cash donations for Hurricane Melissa, only $26 million, just 1.8%, had been spent as of February this year. Millions more collected after Hurricane Beryl also remained untouched. ODPEM told auditors the low spending resulted from the absence of approval from the Ministry of Finance to access the funds. But the concerns in the report go beyond unspent money. The Auditor General says major weaknesses were identified in the management and tracking of supplies under the government's roof restoration program. The report comes at a time when the parliamentary opposition has been blasting the government for its Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts. But that's not all. The Auditor General said contracts valued at $167 million were awarded for roofing materials using emergency procurement measures allowed during disasters. But of the $122 million in materials reportedly delivered to the Jamaica Defense Force locations, only $88 million worth was formally acknowledged as received. The remaining $34 million in supplies had no signed delivery slips or goods received notes confirming delivery. The Auditor General also found incomplete payment records tied to two major contracts valued at more than $108 million. Overall, only $26 million in payments linked to the program could be independently verified by auditors. ODPEM reported that more than 400 roofs were repaired under the program. However, auditors say they could not fully confirm that claim. The report says no documentation was provided showing how beneficiaries were selected, how households were verified and approved, or whether repairs were formally completed using the materials procured. Auditors also noted that while ODPEM submitted lists of beneficiaries and some geotagged locations, critical supporting records were missing. The report also flagged concerns surrounding the handling of donated cash. Auditors found that a financial services institution withheld millions in donations without a formal agreement in place with ODPEM governing the arrangement. The Auditor General says the findings highlight serious deficiencies in accountability, documentation, and oversight in the management of disaster relief resources.